How did you come up with this idea of opening the boxes in the videos? And maybe the other half of the question is that why do you open the boxes? Do you store the wines out of the box, or do you just put them back in the box after the video, or how did this come up?
So I've always loved opening wooden boxes. It gets me quite excited. And we open boxes for photos, usually. Okay, so if we need a photograph for sale, we open the box. Now that means that obviously someone's got to do it. So we have a whole warehouse team that does that usually and takes the photos. And often I come down to have a look and just see what it's like, because it's quite cool looking at pictures. I used to go down and have a look, and then one day I just thought, you know what, let's open a box on video. And I was chatting to my friend Luke, and we came up with this idea that we thought would be really quite cool. Because obviously there was a massive trend for opening things on TikTok and Instagram. Not wine necessarily, but just opening things.
Unboxing videos.
Exactly, unboxing videos, yeah. And we thought, let's make that wine related. Why not? We've got boxes as well, so let's go for it. And obviously it's quite premium, it's quite fun, because you have to use tools, you have to take the nails out, and it's a bit different, a bit quirky. It's just fun, We have this special kind of wine trend going now, which is quite fun.
Yeah, it works. And I think it's even more interesting than the general unboxing trends on the internet, because these treasures, like old bottles, they have been bottled a long time ago. It's like a little treasure box. I have a very weird connection that I just saw as you were talking about this parallel between these unboxing trends and the wine industry. Do you know the Unbox Therapy guy? Like probably the most famous tech unboxer from Canada. And I think actually he's a bit similar to you. You look quite similar. So that's funny. You are the Unbox Therapy guy of the wine world, with the beard and everything.
A long lost brother.
Probably.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that it's so nice to be able to show these things to people when otherwise they would just be hidden forever. That's one of the main things behind this, is the fact that we didn't want it to be hidden anymore. We didn't want it to be closed up in a dark cellar forever. We're getting it open anyway. Let's show people. Let's bring it to life.
Yeah, I think it's a beautiful thing, because obviously lots of people can never afford and probably will never taste such wines. But even me, some of the bottles that you showcase, never tasted them. But even just seeing it and just imagining the thing and seeing the boxes and everything, it's so inspiring. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.